now that we have the fuse almost ready, we're gonna go for the wings. First one is the one on top, and to the previous model I reinforced it with a carbon rod right here on the leading edge. So this time I decided to go with a wood spar. Actually, they're gonna be 2 wood spars, and I'm gonna have the controls, which also I modified. So I'll see how good those are comparing with the ones I had before. So, well, actually I'm gonna dry fit yeah, it does fit nicely. Now I'm just gonna hot glue it. Okay, half, and then the other half. So now I'm just gonna wait for it to cool off, wipe the glue excess, and I'm just gonna trim okay. This is, I don't know if it's bamboo or other hard wood, but I prefer to go with snippers, those kind of pliers on this wood, because they don't shear. If I'm gonna use the regular saw by hand, then I'm gonna have problems. So I prefer to, in this case, use those. Pliers. Okay. Now this it's almost ready, and we have the second one, which we're gonna start from this side here. So just gonna press this in. And well, this is the nice part, you know, having a machine, you know, because those channels are 50%, but you can do it by hand. The only difference is that you would have to be more careful, because you're gonna have to cut 100%. So it's not gonna be very hard, but you have to be careful. So it looks like we got this done. Now the controls, they're gonna be made from piano wire and the tube, which is gonna act as a sleeve. And I think I'm gonna put a whole piece. The reason is because it's gonna act actually like a reinforcement. Not so much, but you know, I hate to go, because on this cup I almost, you know, went all the way through the material to make sure that this is going to be almost flush. So what I have to do is to just make sure that this is going to go. Actually, I need to cut a small piece in here. We need to have this one on the beginning so we can form the fuselage, but after fuselage is done, we don't need it. So we're just gonna make sure that everything is the way it should be. Now, okay. This is gonna be up to here. Again, this is a foamy end. It's not really that important to so I'm just gonna make it in half.